Om Swastiastu. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making jukut urap. Jukut urap is a mixed vegetables with grated coconut and fried shallot, garlic and chili sambal. This is the one of my very favorite Balinese vegetable dish, and also my father often make this dish at home as everyone love it. For the vegetables later, I'm using spinach, bean sprout, cabbage, snack bean. You also can use sweet corn, green bean, and broccoli. For the spice, I'm using 6 shallot, 4 garlics, 2 Bali hot pepper, 1 big red chili, which is the chilies I removed the seed already. If you would like to use the seed, it's absolutely fine. And also I'm using kaffir lime fruit. Here's some grated coconut, red shallot, shrimp paste, salt, sugar, vegetable oil, and some fresh water for blanch the vegetables. First, we're going to blanch the vegetables. Let's put the cooker on to boil the water. And here, I have some snack bean. This part I will remove and cut into 4 centimeters. Cut the cabbage into this size, or you can also cut smaller or bigger. The water is boiling. Add some salt, pinch of salt. I start with blanch the bean sprout. Not too long, it's around 10 to 20 seconds, because we like to keep the texture slightly crunchy. Add the cabbage, also around 10 to 20 seconds. Spinach, it's also around 10 to 20 seconds. Last one is snack bean. For the snack bean, take a little bit longer, around 1 minute until 1.5 minutes. The vegetables is already blanched. Now I'm preparing the sambal. Start with slicing the shallot. Slice it thinly. Garlic, slice it thinly too. Slice the chili. Let's prepare the pan, medium heat, and add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of shrimp paste and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. And now the oil is ready. I'm going to add the shallot. Fry it until slightly brown. Add garlic. Cook it for a few seconds. And chilies. Add a 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. Cook it for another 10 seconds or until the chili soft enough. It's done. Turn it off the cooker. So let's put it aside. We need to make sure here that the vegetables and the chili sambal is completely cool before we mix it all. So I will be back when it's all completely cool. See you soon. Bye. Hello, I'm back. So now all is completely cool. Let's mix them. First, I'm slicing because we're going to use some of kaffir lime fruit. So I slice this first. Remove the seed. Give a little squeeze for spinach to get rid of the water. Bean sprout. snack bean. Add the sambal. Pinch of salt. Squeeze of kaffir lime fruit juice. 25 grams of fresh grated coconut. Mix them well. My mouth starts watering when I smell this. So let's split it. Add some fresh shallot and kaffir lime fruit. Here we are, jukut urap. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes, and I will see you in the next video. Matur suksema. Bye bye.